everyone. Today we are going to solve some numerical problems based on motion chapter. Okay. So first question is, an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 minutes in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Okay. So the meaning is, an object travels 16 minutes in 4 seconds. After that, it again travels 16 minutes in 2 seconds. Then we have to calculate the average speed of the object. Okay. So first solution. So first we have to calculate the total distance traveled by an object. Okay. So total distance traveled by an object. So the total distance traveled by an object, so consider S is equal to, okay. So first it travels a distance 16 meter and after that it travels again 16 meter. So 16 meter plus 16 meter, so which is equal to 32 meter. Okay. So the 32 meter is the total distance traveled by an object. And what is the total time taken by the object to cover 32 meters? Okay, therefore the total time taken by an object. So the total time taken, it is nothing but t is equal to, so first time it takes 4 seconds and second time again it takes 2 seconds. Okay, so therefore 4 seconds plus 2 seconds, which is equal to 6 seconds. So therefore an object covers 32 meters in 6 seconds. Then we have to calculate average speed. So speed, which is represented by the letter V, so which is equal to question mark, we have to calculate average speed. Okay, so we know the formula of average speed, yes or no? So the formula of average speed is equal to average speed, which is equal to the total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Okay, so therefore total distance divided by total time taken. So therefore, what is the total distance traveled by the object? 32 meter. So therefore, 32 divided by the total time taken is 6. So that is average speed. So average speed is equal to 32 divided by 6. So therefore, V is equal to 5.33 and the SI unit is meter per second. So this is the final answer. So therefore, the average speed of an object is 5.33 meter per second. Okay. So next question. The odometer of a car reads 2000 km at the start of the trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay. So the odometer of the car, it shows the reading. Okay. So starting it shows 2000 km readings and after that, after 8 hours, it shows 2400 kilometers. Okay. So initially it shows the 2000 kilometer and odometer again it shows 2400 kilometers. Okay. So we have to calculate the average speed of the car. So we know the formula of average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time taken. Okay. So in this case, a car covers a certain distance, but the odometer it shows starting 2000 kilometer readings and after that it shows 2400 kilometers. Then what is the distance traveled by the car? Yes, very good. So the distance traveled by the car is 400 kilometers. Yes or no? So therefore, the distance traveled therefore 8 hours. So therefore 400 divided by 8, it is nothing but 50 and kilometer per hour. Okay. So the average speed of a car, it is 50 kilometer per hour. But they asked that we have to calculate the average speed in terms of meter per second. Okay. So the final answer, it is in terms of kilometer per hour, but we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay. distance. We know the equations of motion. So that is, first one is v is equal to u plus at, v is equal to u plus a into t, and second equation is s is equal to u into t plus half a into t square, and third equation is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Yes or no? So these three are equations of motion. Okay, so which one is suitable for this solution? S. So we have to calculate distance. So therefore we have to choose s is equal to u into t plus half a into t square. Okay, so therefore we know the equation of motion. So that is s is equal to u into t plus half a into t square. So therefore s is equal to, substitute u value, t value and a value in this equation. So therefore u value is 0 into time t is 8 plus half, a value is 3 into 3 into time t value is 8.0 or 8 whole square. So therefore s is equal to 8.0 is nothing but 0 into 8 is nothing but 0 plus half into 3 into, so 8 square is nothing but 64. So therefore s is equal to, so 3 by 2 into 64. Okay, so therefore this implies s is equal to what? So s is equal to, so substitute, simplify, 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 2s are, so therefore 3 into 32, so which is equal to 96 meter. Okay, so s means it is distance. So therefore they ask how far does the boat travel during this time. So therefore the distance traveled by a motor boat, it is nothing but 96